I'm giving the floor to Sis Delia Honorable Galaxy Katati, a former chairwoman and founding chairwoman of the AS4.
Thank you, Sis Mercury, Sis Janice, and Bro Rocky, of course. Thank you so much. To our honorable guests, RMG Chairman Aris Guban, our National Chairman of GHFI Wanganap Guardians, and of course, to our honorable guests, Brigadier General Danilo S.G.R. Gatalim, our National Advisor, and to our two founders, ating magigiting na founders, and to our executive officers of each chapters, the chairwoman, the chairman, and of course, our members and the guests who's with us today. Thank you so much. Good morning to all of you. First, before I will read the profile of our honorable guest, Brigadier General Danilo Lim, I would like to share my sincere gratitude of choosing me to read his profile. I was so impressed. And of course, while I'm reading his profile, I know that most of you also will be impressed. The same what I felt when I read his profile. Brigadier General Danilo de la Cruz Lim. He was born on June 2, 1955 in Solano, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. He's a retired Filipino Brigadier General, the youngest of 5 brothers. He is a Chinese descent. His roots can be traced to Xiamen, China. Formerly, it was Amoy. He has been inaugurated at the Camp Ramit, Quezon City from 2006 to 2010. For rebellion charges, attempts of the coup d'etat, after more than 4 years, Lim was granted temporary acquittal from the Armed Forces of the Philippines on May 31, 2010. On his school attended, he was a graduate as a valedictorian in St. Louis School Elementary School, Solana, Nueva Vizcaya. And he was also graduated as a salutatorian in St. Louis School High School, Solano, Nueva Vizcaya. He was also an entrance scholar, graduated at BS Chemical Engineering in 1 year only, take note. University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City. He was also a PMA entrance exam top-notcher. BS General for 1 year only, take note again, from Philippine Military Academy, Baguio City. He was also graduated in June 1978 as the only Philippine representative in his class, where it was in United States Military Academy, West Point, New York. He finished his MBA under thesis, the Philippine Christian University. And of course, he's also a class top-notcher, an honored graduate. Command General Staff College, TRAVOCPA for Bonifacio, Taguig City. Now, on his Philippine Military Academy, Brigadier General Danilo Lim is a member of the Philippine Military Academy, Makatarungan class since 1978. Who among us remembered the Oakwood Hotel in Makati City? And they involved them with the reform, the Armed Forces Movement, or RAM. And of course, the Manila Peninsula Incident, or the Manila Peninsula Mutiny. While a plebe, he took the entrance exam to the United States Military Academy at West Point, one of the world's premier military academies. Because of an outstanding performance as a cadet, he topped the exam. On his early career, after graduation, he returned to the country to take the Scout Ranger course where he graduated #1 and led his team in registering the only encounter of the class during their test mission. He adopted to be assigned to Holo after that. He commanded the forward recon unit of the 1st Infantry Division, Philippines in Sulu, where he was wounded twice in combat. On the morning of November 29, 2007, with Antonio Trillanes before, Brigadier General Danilo Lim and Captain Nicanor Caidon and the other Magdalo officials walked out of their trial and marched through the streets of Makati City, calling for the ouster of former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. They then had a meeting on the 2nd floor of the Peninsula Manila Hotel along Ayala Avenue with former Vice President Choquizo Gendona to join the march to the Manila Peninsula Hotel, as well as some soldiers from the AFP. For the positions held, he was a platoon leader, a weapon platoon leader executive officer, a company commander in the field, was long involved in counterinsurgency, anti-secessionist, and Scout Ranger operation all over the country. He was also a PMA instructor in mathematics and various military science and tactics subjects. Tactical officers, aide-de-camp, and admin officer of the PMA superintendent, a secretary academy staff member of the general staff, and several other positions held in the Philippine Military Academy. Regiment Operation and Training Officer of the 1st Scout Ranger in Regiment P8. Branch Chief, Combat Research, and Special Studies, G3, Philippine Army. Military Assistant to the Secretary of the National Defense, School Commandant, PCCR, ROTC, Commanding Officer of the 1303rd Community Defense Command, NCRR CDG Reserve Command, Philippine Army, Chief of Staff of the Undersecretary for Local Government, DILG, Battalion Commander of the 42nd Infantry Battalion, 2ID Philippine Army, Chief of Staff and Deputy Regimental Covenant Commander of the 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, SOCOM PA, a Regiment Commander of the 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, SOCOM Philippine Army. Before I will finish, it was so long, I just took his word that always put on the mind of the Filipino people. This is what Brigadier General Danilo Lim said. I would like to bring the people's awareness on corruption to a higher level so that the issue of corruption will not be limited to one branch of the government. And he also added, I have served the military for 36 years, and throughout my 36 years of military service, I have been consistent in advocating reforms in the military. But the military career, being behind me now, this is now my alternative arena. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, please stand up and give a round of applause to our honorable guest, Brigadier General